Hi guys, welcome back to Paper Ninja JD. Yesterday I told that I will upload a video today or yesterday, that is the transforming ninja star. Okay, let's start. We need only 9 centimeter paper. Only 9 centimeter. It should be a square 9 centimeter paper. And we need only 8 papers of them. Only 8 papers. Yeah, now let's start. Just follow the instructions, it will be so easy to make. Now when you take, you should fold. By looking instructions you can follow it easily, because then I am saying this how to fold, that this when you look the video you could identify it very easily, because I had shown you properly how to make, so you could follow the instruction. Yeah, now with the remaining papers also you should make like this. By using the same instruction you should make a lot. Now I'll take one and join it. Now properly look, so it will be easy to make the whole transforming ninja star. Now you should take that you can see with a middle part, you can just unfold. You should take the other fold which you fold, you should take that and keep inside that, and you could see that small 2 remaining parts are there out. Should fold those tiny things. Like this you should join all the folded papers. You should connect to these things. You should fold all the folded paper which you had folded. When you connect, it will be easy. I had already connect some, so I'll just easily connect with this. star, the transforming ninja star. We are already done. Now let's go on with the video. Yeah, so here we are almost done with everything. Now you should just look the video and try to fall. When you fall one time, it will be easy to fall the other fall time. Okay, this is the method to fall and transform the ninja star. So we call this as the transforming ninja star. Okay, now we are done with the video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like and comment. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell. Thank you.